Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. This class is for Class 8 scholarship students. You will be getting a class related to intelligence test of scholarship. I am Sri Kumar. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, we are continuing with the topic of classification under intelligence test. In this, we know that we will be grouping the given options. Out of 4, 3 may be similar, or 3 will be given, 4th will be asked. The 3 will be having some similarity, so they come in a class or in a group. This is the test, and the ability to classify quickly, the ability to identify the similarity will be checked in this, and how sharp, how accurate, how quick you are in grouping and classifying things around us, objects around us, or the things given is a skill of intelligence. Let me give you some example. Here is a set of things: INSAT, Bhaskar, Moon, IRS. Among these, I am quite sure that Moon is very familiar for you. INSAT, Bhaskar and IRS may not be. How this will become a test of intelligence? This is about your general knowledge regarding satellites. Moon revolves around Earth naturally, and it is present there, not man-made. But some of you might have heard about INSAT, a satellite, Indian satellite. We have satellites made by us and placed by us in the space for many activities, especially for weather and for telecommunication. So it's a satellite but man-made. Bhaskar, IRS is Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. So all these are satellite except Moon is artificial satellite or man-made satellite. Moon is a natural satellite. So two things are checked here. One is your ability to identify these things as well as to classify them. Sometimes it will not come into your mind what is this, and you will think and think and think and you will not get it. It is a very rare situation. Sometimes it happens, but it happens. So here you will mark that one which is rare, which is not matching in this, which is Moon, which is a natural satellite. It can be anything like this. There is nothing like it should be objects. Here is another example. What are these? Mouse, CPU, CD, monitor. Now these things are known to you. You know what is a mouse, what is a CPU, you know, what is CD, you know, what is monitor, you know. And you also know that all these are related with a computer. And how can we say that one among these is slightly different? One of these doesn't come in that category. As I told you, you can pause the video here and think about the answer and then try to get the answer. Check the answer whether it is right or wrong later. I am proceeding to give the answer. The answer here is CD. CD is something which we insert into the computer. Without CD, the computer functions smoothly. It's an external source, and in which we have something recorded at some source. It is source means where something is there to take out. Mouse and CPU and monitor are to run the computer. CD is a source. So CD is the answer. Understood how intelligence is tested in classification. Okay. Here comes another set of things. Now it is numbers. As I told you, there is no any rule that it should be things, it should be objects. Here are numbers. Again, you can pause and think which one will be the odd, which term is not fit into that. One among this in these four are not fit. Pause the video, think the answer, then play the video to get the answer. I'm giving the answer. When you check these numbers, if you total the digits, 9 plus 0 plus 7 is 16. Second one is 5 plus 8 plus 4, 8, 5, 13 plus 4, 17. 2 plus 8 plus 6, 16 again. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16 again. So except the case 2, except in the case of 2, second one, all are having some digit equal to 16. So the answer is the second one, where you are having 5 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 17. So this way also your intelligence of classification can be tested. Here is another set of numbers. I am giving you time. You can pause the video and think about the answer. Here is another set of numbers. You can pause the video and think about what the possibility is. And every time it won't be easy. Last time it was simply adding the digits. This time adding the digit is not going to give you answer. With that clue you can pause, think about the answer, write the answer, then check the answer. I'm going to give the answer. Actually the answer is 10 after doing little bit of work upon it. Why I said even for me it was little difficult to find out the answer. The answer is something like this. This is 5 into 5 minus 5, and this is 3 into 3 minus 3. This is 4 into 4 minus 4. And this doesn't come in such categories. You cannot write it in this format. ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते. So that became the odd in that. Understood? So this way also, sometimes most unexpected way they will ask you to get the answer, and this is considered to be a tough question because it takes more than 1 minute to get the answer. Here comes next, only 3 are given. That means you have to find out a number belonging to this group from the given numbers. So there is some similarity among these 3. All 3 are having some similarity. The same type you have to find from the given options. Okay. So in that case, what is the similarity among these 3 we should find out. Then only we can go in search of answer or options. You can pause the video. If you want to do it yourself, I am going to give the answer. It is found that the number total of the digits again is 17 in all these cases. In all these cases, the total is 17. 2 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 17. So, in that case, we should find out that one which is having a total of 17, and this one is the answer. Comparatively easy, you may take 15 to 20 seconds to get the idea. So, totaling the digits, the first checking you will be doing. Sometime if it is in the last case it was something like square and minus the same number. Sometime it will be simply squaring. Sometime it will be a difference is common. Sometimes it will be division is giving something common. So all the four operations you will try in different format to get the answer. Let me go to this. Here is another one which sometimes comes in the case of comprehension also. Classification also, sometimes you will get alphabet series. So alphabet series, you know that most of the time alphabet series will be coming for comprehension. Sometimes when it comes in classification, most of the time it has come for giving a value, giving the positional number right from A to Y, or sometimes on the opposite direction also. So what we have to do is, in this kind of question, you have to rewrite this in your rough work space and simply substitute the value of it in the given question. So that what happens, you will get some idea, because this is coming under classification. In this case, find the one does not belong to the group. That is a type of question here. That means you are having four options: I, K, W, Q. So when it comes to pick out, not in comprehension, not asking anything else, you are asked to pick out the odd in this, then you should find out the positional number of this. And as far as I is concerned, it is 9. K is concerned, it is 11. W is concerned, it is 23. Q is concerned, it is 17. You are asked to find out one that does not belong to the group. So 3 comes in a group, 1 not. That one is 9. Why? Because 9 is a composite number. That means 9 can be divided with 3. 3 3s are 9. But no other numbers. These are all prime numbers. You know, prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by itself and one only. So what is this K positional number? What is 11 and K? Positional number of K. Positional number of K is 11. That is the meaning of it. Otherwise K is not having any value. If you write from here, K will be right from here back. I mean 1, 2, 3. You can write like this also. Anything can come. So in that case, K will be having a different position. Understood? So the 11 is going to the O. This will be 15. Right? So this number is given when the alphabets are numbered ascending. K is 11th position, W is in 23rd position, Q is in 17th position, I is in 9th position, and we checked the position number and found that that of I is composite. I is having a position number which can be divided, and it is 9 in this case. Okay, so that is one technique used here. Again from the same alphabet series. What is the question here? Another set of numbers, but there are 2 alphabets given. You are asked to find out what can be the one doesn't belong to this particular group. Here are 2, as I told you before, we will write the numbers and positional numbers of these. H and R means you will write 8 and 18. U and E, 21 and 5. C and X, 3 and 24. P and J, 16 and 10. You can pause the video. I forgot to tell you. If you want to find out the answer yourself, because I got the answer, I'm going to tell the answer. If you total this, it is 26 here, 26 here, 27 here, 26 here. That means CX is the odd man out, because the total of positional numbers in the case of CX is different. Here is another question. 4 digits are given. This is one of the tough question asked in previous years, I think, and it took time for finding out the answer. And again, I used the same method of writing down the positional numbers. So I copied it here. The position numbers of each digit I copied after getting the answer. You can also do that and try to find out how can we get the answer. Because in this kind of question which comes under classification, when it comes you should copy the positional number, because 99% such questions come after copying the positional number you get the idea. This is not applicable in the case of comprehension. Comprehension, the question will be direct. If the right from right fifth number to the right to the left number, that way the question is will be giving you clear idea or clear thinking process of comprehension. Here there is no comprehension. Here you have to classify. So now you can pause the video to get the answer if you want to get it yourself. I am going to proceed to provide you the clue about the answer. Look at these numbers: 24, 23, 25, 22, 2, 4, 3, 1, 20, 19, 21, 18, 7, 6, 8, 5. Let me start from the last. Because whenever we think about odd man out, it can be the first one itself. So you cannot simply depend on that. 6, 7, 8, 5, 5, 8, 6, 7, 7, 6, 8, 5 ऐसे सब रीड करके देखेगा तो मालूम पड़ता है कि 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 18, 19, 20, then 21. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. इसमें थोड़ा डिजाइन चेंज हो गया. Right? Right? 22, 23, 24, then 25. Oh. Did I make any mistake in numbering it? X is 23, W is X is 24, W is 23, 25 is Y, and 22 is V. Okay. B is 2, D is 4, correct. C is 3, A is 1. T S U R, T S U R, T is 20, S is 19, okay. U is 21 and R is 18, correct. G is 7, F is 6, correct. H is 8, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20, 21. Okay, okay. 23, 24, 20. Is it BDCA लगता है मुझे? Answer correct. Because here only that order is changing. Here you can see 23, 24, 25, 19, 20, 21. मैं लिखने में wrong किया. 6, 7, 8. Marking में wrong किया. ये 3 इधर ये. Here VDC have created all the issues. Otherwise all are having same approach. 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3 ऐसा होना होता था. I just made drawing wrong. Here everything ulta pulta. Here rest of the that are having. Otherwise you can say 24 minus 23 is 1. Here 2 minus 4 minus 2. Here 20 minus 19 1. 7 minus 6 1. सब same follow कर रहे हैं, right? If you write next, it is equal to 2 difference minus 2. Here it is again minus 2. So all that way. All these are order difference. So positional numbers are applied for classifying. Little tough, a tough category because it may take 1 minute or more than that to get the answer. Let me go ahead. Pictures. Figures are given, you are asked to pick the odd out of it. In the case of pictures, I have already told before also that here you can see there are pictures given. I have advised you that if you take any one of the picture which you feel okay, because it is again one is not in the order or in the group, so naturally you have to keep away all these figures in the same fashion. I will try to keep all the figures in this way. That means arrow mark here or bottom arrow here. So I will turn this and keep, turn this and keep, turn this and keep, and I will find the odd man out. And I'm going to give the answer. If you want to find it yourself, pause the video. And I found that in the case of fourth one, when you in the case of fourth one, this one is different. You can check it. And you keep it like this. All figures you have to keep like this. And put the half semicircle like this. So within the semicircle the difference is. In all the figures this part is dark, but in the case of this figure it will be this side which is dark. So the fourth one is the odd one. Okay, let me go ahead. Here is another set of questions. Again, to pick out the odd out of it. To pick out the odd out of it, you should observe the figure. You can pause the video because I will be soon giving the answer without wasting much time. It is simple. It's a matter of 15 seconds or less than that for some students. So you can pause the video. I am going to dictate the answer. The answer is fourth one, because only 5 petals are there in all the cases. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals in this. It is as simple like that. Sometimes the question will be easy. That's why I told you, where the answer is not getting, you leave that after spending time for 1 minute and later come back. By that time your brain will be ready to answer that also. But remember, which one you left you should remember, and you should not answer that when you go to the next question. Because next question you will by mistake entered over there, it will be a big blunder. That I will tell you at the end of the session, not this video, at the end of the academic session of scholarship, what all things you should take care of. Here comes another set. You can pause the video and think about which one is not coming in the group. But one thing I want to tell you before you pause. This is under classification. There is no sequence, because ऐसा picture देखके तुमको sequence याद आएगा. Triangle के बाद square, square के बाद circle, ऐसा sequence आएगा. Next में circle इधर आ गया, triangle उधर गया. No, that happens in sequence. That's another, or series. This is classification, and are asked to find out one out of it, not in a sequence. Sequence में series में question mark डाल के what next पूछेगा या what missing पूछेगा. Correct? There is nothing missing. What next is also not there. So this comes under picking out the one which is odd, one which doesn't come in that group. In that case, your thinking must be different. You can pause the video if you want to think yourself. I am going to give the answer. If you observe it, simply observe, you can see that in the case of fourth diagram, the size of the circle and square are different. Among these, you can see that this is the smallest, but here it is square the smallest. That means circle has become big, square has become small, so fourth one becomes odd again. तो ये सोचा कि fourth one ही आंसर होगा क्या सबका, ऐसा हो गया बस. There is no any such rule that more 4 will be there, more 3 will be there. Sometimes you will feel like, last question answer also 4, this also 4. That means 4 is common. So if I don't get anything, I will write 4. No, nothing like that. These are all by chance happens like that. Here comes another set of questions, again for observation. You can pause the video and observe, because I may dictate the answer at any time. Again, it is not series picking out the odd. There is no sequence. There is no missing. There is no next. It is to find out which one is not fitting in the group. As I told you, the best way in such situation is keeping all alike, but it is difficult because the position of the square, rectangle and the pentagon is changing. So you can observe one after another. If you start from base, the pentagon with a figure like this, these pentagons are same. Look. Triangle, the lines are drawn to the base, it is same. As far as rectangle, it is different because here it is parallel to the side. The fourth one again the answer is fourth one once again. Because in the case of only in the case of square you can see that these are parallel to the side. Here comes the last of this video. The last question, you are asked to find out one which doesn't match in the group. And you can pause the video and find out what can be the odd among these four. Because I will proceed for giving you the answer at any moment. Little tricky, but it is easy. For someone it will be a matter of 5 seconds, sometimes it will be a matter of 50 seconds. I am going to give the answer. If you wish to find the answer yourself, you can pause the video and wait for getting the answer, then check the answer. You will try to get the answer and then check the answer. The answer is third one, not 4. Always it was 4 for the last 4 questions. This is third on his answer. The reason is, if you look at the base of this, here it is, base is dark, starting with a dark line. Here the base is starting with a white line. The tip is a dark spot here. The tip is, in all other cases, it is white. Here it is white. Here it is white. But here it is dark. Dark black. Base is easy. Base is white, starting with a white line. The dark line comes after that. So third one is the answer. So my dear students, classification is a very interesting topic. Why? Because you have to observe and classify them into a group, and the fourth one or one will be different. Sometime you will be asked to find out the fourth one which comes in the same group. Anyway, it is a matter of grouping, and we are expert in grouping things. Otherwise also among friends also there will be groups. We three are the what we say, we are close friends. It's a group. We all are coming from the same location, another group. We all are girls, another group. We all are of same height, another group. So we are expert in making groups. So why can't we apply that intelligence over here to group the things and find out the odd, or to predict the next? So take it interestingly, and you will be getting enough questions in this format, in the internet, in the guide, from your teacher, from previous question papers. Please do it, enjoy it, and show your intelligence when exam comes. That's all from me today. Thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.